Another day, another technique. Today I will show you how to create this project. Don't worry, it's very simple and easy. Aren't you excited to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Step number 1. It's time for background. We are not going to create a background in this tutorial. On the other hand, we are going to use a downloaded image. The background that I will use in this tutorial is this one, a wall made of bricks, but we need to apply some changes first. At first, please click on this icon and create black and white. Parameters would be set automatically, but we need to reset them. 0, other one 0, 0, 0, 0, and the last one 0. We need another effect before importing it into the project. Click one more time on this icon and enable a hue and saturation. Decrease the lightness. -41 is okay. Now, please make all layers selected and right-click on one of them and convert it to a smart object. Now we need to import it into our project. Right-click on it, click on Duplicate Layer, and now in Document, choose your project and press OK. Now it's imported into our project. Step number 2. Let's go for subject. The subject of this tutorial is Fortnite logo, as you can see, but we need to get rid of the background. Some of you may go to the classic way. Make a selection of your layer, go into Select and click on Subject. But today I will show you another technique because our project and the layer of logo contains only two colors, black and white. So we will go to color range, make a sample of white color and increase the fuzziness to the maximum 200 and press OK. Now on your keyboard, press on delete key and boom, the background is no more. Step number 3. Let's prepare our subject for effects. The subject is imported into the project, but we need to change the color from black to white. Make your layer selected, press on FX, and enable color overlay. Blend mode should be normal, color should be white, and opacity 100%, press OK. Right-click on your layer and convert it to a smart object. Now, we need to click on FX one more time and go to Blending Options. Now, you need to decrease the fill opacity to 0% and enable the stroke. Size of a stroke, 3 pixels is okay. You can change it if you want to. Position should be outside and blend mode should be normal. Opacity 100%. Fill type color and the color is white. Press OK and one more time right click on it and convert it to a smart object. It's done. Step number 4. It's neon time. Make your layer selected, double click on free space of your layer and enable the stroke. Size should be changed and 2 pixels is good. Position should be changed to outside. Blend mode should be changed to linear dodge. Opacity 100% and fill type should be color, but you need to change the color to your desired color. In this tutorial, I will use this one. 300 for hue, 100 for saturation, and 100 for brightness. Hue 300, saturation 100, and brightness should be 100. Press OK. Now we need to apply another effect. Click on Afterglow and enable it. Change the blend mode to normal and increase the opacity to 100% and make the color selected, not the gradient. You should change the color to your desired color. Mine was 300 in hue, 100 in saturation, and 100 in brightness. Okay. But you need to increase the size and something like 30 pixels is okay. The spread should be 0 and following options should be like this. Press on OK. Now you have created a neon effect, but for making it more real and giving it some depth, please make your layer selected and press Ctrl and J together for creating a duplicate. Now it's better. It's finished, isn't it? I was kidding. You need to do something else before the tutorial is finished. Please press on this icon and create a new layer. Drag the new layer under the logo's layers. And now enable the brush and in brush setting, increase the size to something like 1200 and decrease the hardness to 0%. It's okay. Now it's time for color. You need to set your color in this area. Click on your foreground color icon and change it to your desired color. My color was 300 in hue, 100 in saturation, and 100 in brightness. Press OK. Now on your screen, click to create something like this. And now for making it better, you need to change the blending mode. Make your layer selected, click on this icon, and change the blending mode to overlay. And you can see what we have created. Very good job! You've learned a new technique in Photoshop, and I will show you the final result. Please make sure that you are subscribed to the channel and say your opinion in comments. And if you want to learn a special technique in Photoshop, please write it for me in comments. See you at another tutorial. Let's do work.